On June 17, 2025, deputies responded to an airport terminal after reports of an intoxicated couple refusing to leave. What started as a trespass quickly escalated when they resisted orders. The woman grew so aggressive that deputies had to physically restrain her to regain control. Watch the tense body cam footage unfold.
These are the terminal deputies of Terminal 4 TSA checkpoint. 22 suspects are back. The 22 that is in Terminal 4, the suspects are at TSA. You got the terminal deputy at this point. Thank you, brother.
One more time. All the way down. All the way down. Now. Guys, go home. Go. What's your name?
Listen,
Is there anything you can
I'm
do?
the supervisor working the airport tonight.
It's the only thing I want
I'm
to
the
do.
supervisor working tonight. There's no way you're coming in.
Hands on me.
Alright?
Ma'am.
Tomorrow?
Get your
Please. No, alright, now. Hey, back up. Back up.
I don't want to.
The woman kept resisting and acting defiant toward the officers, but after some effort, police were able to arrest her.
I'm going home.
10-3 there.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
Turn around. Turn around.
Terminal 4.
Roll over. Sit up. Roll over, sit up. What you did wrong? Run back in. Sit up.
I was just trying to go home.
Sit up. Get up.
Why?
Come on.
Why?
Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Who's a threat? Come on, let's go out. Let's go. Let's go.
My breath is going out.
Let's go. Let's go.
Why? 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 What did I do to you?
One detainee, you can send me here.
What did I do to you? I don't understand. What did I do? Please don't.
Get a wheelchair. Bernard, get a wheelchair.
Please let me out. I didn't do anything. I just want to go home. I want to go home. Please don't take me to Mexico jail. I just want to go home.
He's getting a
Just
wheelchair.
let me go home. Let me go home. Let me go home. Please. I'll leave. Please don't take me to jail. Please. I just want to go home to my I am a little boy.
You need a care? We're going to put her on a wheelchair.
Please, I am a little boy. What did I do to you, dude? Oh, what did I do? What did I even do to you? Oh my God, this
Hey,
Relax yourself.
let me out of here.
Relax.
Let me out of here.
Honey, face down. Face down. No. Give me the spit hood.
I spit on my
No, you just spit on me. Keep your face down. Keep your face down. Keep your face down. Yeah.
we're putting right here. Angel, put in this one.
Airline, you're working. You're Condor.